So here in 14.2 of semiconductor chapter, we have the same question again, that which of the statement given in exercise 14.1 is true for p-type semiconductor. That is similar question, right? So n-type semiconductor, we have majority electron there present is, and in the doping is done by pentavalent, and p-type the majority is holes, and the doping is done by trivalent, right? So this is the thing, and you have to select that particular option from here, right? So majority is holes and the doping is done with trivalent. Where is it? So the majority must be whole, majority minority holes, that is wrong. Majority electrons, majority electron, that is right. Minority electrons, that is wrong. So holes is in majority. Holes has to be majority. Holes has to be majority, and electron has to be minority, right? So electrons must not be in majority, and so B and D can get true. So the second thing is the doping is done with trivalent, right? So the doping is done by trivalent. So the doping is done by trivalent. So D is the correct option for the 14.2 question. Okay, so it is very easy and very like it is nothing. This is the same question, right? So this is 14.2. Okay.